So now we'll see about iRule error. So for example, if you are doing any changes in the productions or anytime you are getting any error related to iRule, we can select TCL error. TCL is basically tool command language. In that language, our iRule is basically written, right? So I'm going to share all the article, whatever I'm using. I'm going to create one text file. I'm going to attach in the course so you guys can take it and use it, okay? So see guys, this article, whatever I'm using at the moment, K3905, this article has been archived and is no longer maintained from a F5 perspective. That is fine. So, for example, if you see any error message, TCL error regions, for example, uh, if you're getting any error like TCL error, can't read B, no such variable while executing. So, for example, if you're getting these types of errors, it totally indicate like it's happening because of a variable is not correct. Okay. So for doing troubleshooting related to iRule stop, it is going to be log the entry in this path /var log LTM. So if you're doing in troubleshooting related to iRule, guys, we need to go in this path and get that log outside if you require, or we can do with the help of CLI, which I'm going to show in some times. Okay. So this is the path where iRule logging is logged. Okay. What is the cause, guys? For example, if you're getting any TCL error, iRule error, so what would be the cause? So the iRule contains an error such as missing variable. Okay, whatever we are able to see here, I'm explaining on the basis of this error, guys. So when an iRule contains an error such as missing variable, the big IP system generates a tool command language error. So whenever this error occurs, guys, it is going to be generates a tool command language TCL error indicating the missing or incorrect element. A TCL runtime error stop the affected instance of the iRule and may cause the associated connection to be reset. So whatever connection reset related to that iRule. So iRule basically we call on the VIP, right? So whatever traffic handled by F5 through that VIP, we can say like from that VIP perspective, it is going to reset that connection in the case of iRule error. Okay, so we should make sure about what is the cause in case of iRule specific for that virtual server. Okay, so the error message can provide valuable information when you create and troubleshoot iRule syntax. So mostly it's happened because of syntax error, variable, whatever you are using, it is not correct. This is the impact. Impact will be the big IP system may reset the associated connections. What is the recommended connection guy? So if the error message occurs during operation or while you are creating iRule, use the information in the error message to troubleshoot the iRule syntax. So we need to use the informations, whatever in the error message to troubleshoot the syntax, get it corrected, and then test it. If the error occurs after you upgrade the big IP system to a new software release, sometimes what happens, if you're getting a TCL error after upgrading your boxes, at that times the region may be some syntax change from after upgrading. So we need to check out like we generally take backup, right? Before upgrade, after upgrade. So we can compare it like some iRule command or something changed and that causing the TCL error, that is tool command language error, in short iRule error. So this is the path, guys. So if you're getting any iRule related error, we need to go on the var log LTM. So simply if you go here in CLI ls/var log, if you go there, so if you go here, guys, we need to focus on the LTM here. We need to focus on the LTM step. LTM. So see, we have LTM1 and LTM.1. What is the meaning? So basically, everything going to be stored first on the LTM. And as per threshold set, guys, for example, if 80% utilization, we can say like utilization happen. I'm explaining in the easy way, guys. So just consider there is some threshold set for LTM. And if that set threshold is completed, it is going to be a store rest log on this path, var log LTM1. Okay. So first time it is going to be stored here, and after threshold completed, for example, 80% full, then it is going to be a story here, LTM.1. Okay. So if you run this command, at the moment we are not getting error, but I'm just trying to show you guys. If you run this command cat, so cat is basically used for read the file. So we are going in this path, var log, and we are trying to use LTM1.1, and we are trying to filter the TCL related stuff. So if anything happen in this path related to TCL, basically this is the path where our iRule is stored, right? So this is the path where our iRule error is stored. So if anything happen related to CL error in this path, it is going to be shown there. Simply copy here, paste here. So at the moment there is no any error. That is the reason it is not showing. Okay, but simply if you run this, so if any file is there, it is going to be shown there. There are so many files here, but there is nothing related to TCL because at the moment we did not encounter any problem related to TCL. That is the reason it is not showing. But in production, this is how we can troubleshoot, how we can analyze the log related to TCL error, that is iRule error in production environment. Simply we need to go to this path. Then we can cat first try to do var log LTM, and then if you're not able to find something there, then you try to use the var log LTM.1, because after LTM it is going to store the logs on the LTM.1. So we can check like this, guys, in related to iRule error. So this is how we can do troubleshootings, how we can analyze the logs, and if required sometimes to if, for example, if you're not able to understand, if you're not able to find the exact cause, please try to involve vendors. Sometimes we need to involve in the production. Okay, because they have some article handy, so they will share some suggestion to get this fix. But this is the way to get this details out, analyze the related to iRule error. Okay, so now we'll see some iRule redirection with live example in our next session. So let's meet there. Thank you very much.